Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to hide following list on Instagram. So let's head over to the Instagram application. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile and tap on the three dots or three lines on the top right. And in here, go to account privacy in who can see your content section. And then just turn on your account privacy or private account mode. And when when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following lists. Certain info on your profile, such as your profile picture and username, is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So this is the easiest way to hide your following list on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.